Hey, what is up? This is Matty mccaskill, Coach Matty, Matty the Chef, when I feel like hopping into the studio. Listen, so I wanted to just show some folks just a little bit of the back in work that I'm doing. A brother of mine in the Hebrew culture and in the Hebrew faith, he has a YouTube channel, and he said, listen, bro, I need you to come up with some jingle or like a branding song. So the idea of his channel, it's a Jamaican channel. He's Jamaican, excuse me. He's Jamaican. It's like he's a Kodesh homesteader. So I'm like, what is the first thing that sounds like? And so I came up with, or at least a template of like, just some kind of Rasta-esque vibes, all right? So yeah, let me just show you guys what I'm working on, the progress. All right, so far I've got some drums and a guitar. I'm probably gonna put some bass in there, but I'm also gonna use Bob Marley's Rasta Man chant to have at least a reference on the instruments that I use in this style of music. So check out the drums real quick. The heartbeat. So it's all about timing for me. And these guitar hits, they need to be on time, right? They need to be on time. And then also, when I was recording them, the microphone inside of the acoustic electric guitar, what ended up happening is that it picked up the metronome coming through the headphones. So see if you can hear that. You hear that pop? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, so I'm taking those out and just lining up the guitar hits to, be around that, the anda, I guess that'd be. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. Reggae music, those hits are on the and, right? So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Okay, so this is another day of working on Unless Yah Builds It. And I've gotten some parts down, and I'm gonna play a little accompanying guitar over top of the track. All right. What I learned from the most amazing coach, Deja Bell. She is doing voice lessons, and these are some things that I learned yesterday from Coach Deja because I am preparing to sing on a track that I've been commissioned for. Ha 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 ha. Ooh 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 ooh. All right, let's do this breath holding exercise. I'm gonna hold it it for, what she say, 8 seconds. I'm going to inhale for 8 seconds, hold it for 8 seconds, exhale for 8 seconds. All right? I'm trying to increase it to 10 seconds. All right, so on this last exercise I'm going to do, Deja had me inhale as much as I could, breath-wise, and then I'm going to let it out, but like an air tire, and let it out as slowly as I possibly can. 45 seconds is a good measure, is where I would need to be, and then just improving from there. So we're gonna see. All right, this is backwards, but so what? Let's see here. Oh, 6 seconds. 36 seconds. All right, I'll try it again. Oh, woo, 50 seconds. Okay. All right, I'm done. Get ready to sing. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, licorice tea. Unless Yahuwah watch it. Nope, don't like that. Ooh, ooh, unless Yahuwah watch it. and you go lay to rest, eating the bread of anxious toil. For he gives his beloved sleep, unless Yahuwah build the house. Oh, the laborer, they labor in vain unless Yahuwah watches the city. The watchman stays awake in vain. It is in vain that you rise up early and you go late to rest, eating the bread of anxious toil. For he gives his beloved sleep. Oh, all of the man's ways, his own eyes are pure, but Yahweh's the Spirit. Commit your words unto Yahuwah, and he will establish your path. Yes, he will, and that you can trust it. You can trust it. Oh, you can trust it. Yeah, I like those two runs. I think I'm going to take one more run at this lead vocal. One more run. Ha 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 ha. Ba 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 ba. Stays away, baby. It is in vain that you rise up early and you go late to rest, so late to eating the bread of anxious toil. For he gives his beloved sleep unless Yahuwah watching stays awake in vain, unless Yahuwah build the house. The laborer, they labor in vain. It is in vain that you rise up early and you go late to rest, eating the bread of anxious toil. For he gives his beloved sleep unless all of a man's ways. For he gives his beloved sleep unless Yah build it unless of a man's ways, da 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 da. All of a man's ways are pure. All of them pure in his own eyes, but Yahweh commit your word unto Yahuwah, and he will establish your path. Yes, he will. That you can trust in. Your path. Yes, he will. That you can trust in. So I have finished the recording, the instrumentals, the vocals, finished the mixing for this song, Unless Yah Builds It. The purpose of this was, for one, to show people the process of taking a song from its inception to completion. I'm getting ready to send it off to Kodesh Gardens Homestead, a brother of mine, and he will be able to use the song in his videos, give him a standard license. But listen, guys, creating unique music for their branding is another way that you can get paid. Another way that you can give impact, but you can also get paid. Just thinking outside of the box, being able to complete music is extremely important. Finishing your albums, getting your albums out there, merch, performances, getting your music into film, or working with fellow YouTubers, because they need music. And if they just have something generic from YouTube or some of these sites that somebody else has their music, it's not that unique, right? It doesn't give unique branding to it. So I just wanted to show you guys this process to get the brain, the ideas flowing, the ideas going. And if you like this, let me know. Smash the like button, leave me a comment, and please subscribe to MTC Music TV. And I'm out.